Don't chase applause, but chase progress.
Because every small win you get today is building the foundation for something huge tomorrow. But let's be real. Getting that small win isn't always easy. Some days the obstacles hit you from every angle. You're tired, you're stressed, you're overthinking, you're doubting yourself. Or life is just lifing. And that's where most people stop. Not because they can't win, but because the obstacle feels louder than the goal. So here's the cheat code. Make the win smaller and make the step easier. Because once you get that tiny win, momentum kicks in, energy comes back, and suddenly the goal feels possible again. So stop chasing applause. Choose one small win today, and choose one solution to protect that win. Now tell me in the comments, what small win are you going for? And what obstacle are you overcoming to get it?